Hi everyone, my name is Safi and today we're going to read our book on a called Helicopters. A helicopter is a flying machine. A helicopter has two rotors. One is on top and one is on the tail. Rotors spin fast. The top rotor lifts the helicopter up into the air. A pilot steers by moving a control stick. A helicopter can take off or land in very small places. It lands on parts called skids. A helicopter can hover in one place. This one hovers while it rescues people from a flood. This air ambulance helicopter carries sick people to the hospital. This helicopter fights fires. This helicopter takes people for a fun ride. What a view. And that's the end of Helicopters, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell, and I'll see you next time. Bye!